Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Brush through to remove tangles and decide whether dry or slightly damp hair suits your texture. Grab a claw clip sized for your thickness, large for full hair, small for fine strands because clip choice changes hold. Section hair where you want volume, then twist or lift that section into a loose coil. Once done, position the clip with teeth facing scalp, ready to secure the twisted section. This first setup prevents slipping and uneven pressure. Next, twist your section away from your face to form a coil that will sit neatly. You want controlled tension, not a tight rope. With one hand, hold the coil at the base, and with the other, open the claw clip and drop it over the twisted hair so the teeth interlock roots and mid-lengths. Make sure the clip's base presses against your scalp to anchor the style. This is why placement at the root matters. It prevents droop and distributes grip evenly. Finish by checking balance and comfort. Shift the clip a hair's width up or down until the weight feels even and the coil sits snug. If ends poke out, tuck them under the clip or retwist small strands to hide and secure them. Make sure not to over-twist, which causes tension headaches. If slipping persists, insert one bobby pin at the coil base or slide a smaller inner clip for extra hold. This simple fix keeps the style intact with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.